How would you like to make $600 in a day by simply listening to music? It sounds unrealistic, right? But don't worry, I have something for you. A new method that will make you $300 to $900 in a single day. You can do it even with a brand new account and on your laptop or even smartphone. All you have to do is watch this video all the way to the end, follow each step as I show you, and you'll be good to go. So without waiting any further, let me take you straight to the action. To be able to make money with this method, the first thing you need to do is go to a website called Mixkit.com. Once you go to the webpage, you can see right here, Mixkit.com is a free asset site. Using this website, you can create any project. However, we will use this website just for the music and make money in the process. In just a moment, I'll show you how you can listen to music tracks, just like these ones right here, and how you can start making money. As you can see here, you can make up to $25. If you keep scrolling down here, you'll see there are pages after pages of people who are using this from around the world. To give you an idea, let's make a calculation. In a day, from simply doing this, if you listen to just one song, you can earn about $8. For 10 songs, you'll be paid about $80. If it's 20 songs, then you'll get paid $160. If you listen to 50 songs, you'll get $400. In listening to 100 songs, you will earn up to $800. Now, it's up to you how many songs you can listen to in a day, and you'll get paid accordingly. Now, as you can see, all these music tracks that we are going to be using to make money on this website, all these audio clips are for free, and you can use them with no attribution or even signing up on their website. There are literally hundreds and thousands of songs on this website, and like always, I'll help you make even more money. So now you need to come up to the top of the page where it says Genre. Hover your mouse over the button, and it will show you your favorite genres that are available. Now, if you open either the acoustic genre or the hip-hop genre category, you're going to find this collection of free acoustic tracks that you can download for absolutely free. Also on this page, right here, if you click on the button here to start listening to it, you don't have to listen to the whole song because there are thousands of songs. Now, click on the download button and download the song. Once it finishes downloading, do the method again with another song. To make the most money, you should download as many songs as possible. Now, to make money with all the downloaded songs, just move to the next step. So, I want you to go to the site called up-forever.org. Up-Forever is a website that's going to pay you to upload your files and images. On this website, we're going to be uploading all those music tracks that we just downloaded from Mixkit.com. And every single time someone downloads our music files from Up-, you'll keep making money. This is a very simple technique and a way of making passive income. Once you upload all the songs, you can go back to Mixkit.com, get more tracks, and upload them. They have a 4-tier structure of payments, which will categorize the amounts that you'll earn depending on where you received most of your downloads from. For example, downloads from the United States and Canada are in Tier 1, Australia is Tier 2, Saudi Arabia and the UAE are in Tier 3, and the rest of the world are in Tier 4. Now, what this means is that countries in Tier 4 will earn you at least $3. Those in Tier 3 and Tier 2 will earn you about $4. And finally, Tier 1 countries will earn you a good $7. So that's about it for today's video. If you want to learn even more ways to make money online, then subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Watch the next video on the channel to find out another great method to make good money and enjoy financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.